how to use a dictionary.
Big day today. People will exercise their right to vote. Mama, what does the word exercise mean?
Let's check the dictionary to find out.
But what is a dictionary?
A dictionary is a book that lists all the words of a language and tells us what they mean.
This dictionary has so many words. How will I ever find the word I want?
Don't worry, Aryan. I will show you how to use a dictionary. All the words in a dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order. Where do you think you will find the word vote?
I think the word vote should be in the last few pages.
Well done! How did you guess that?
Since the words are in alphabetical order, words starting with V should be towards the end.
Excellent! Let me give you a special tip. Every page in the dictionary has guide words. Guide words are the first and the last word on every page. On this page, these are the guide words. Now, if someone asks you for the meaning of the word exercise, how will you look for it in the dictionary?
I'm not sure.
Okay, first you need to identify the first letter of the word. In exercise, the first letter is E. Let's try to find a page in the dictionary with words that start with E. Now, let's match the second letter of exercise, which is X, with the guide word. If it does not match, look at the pages before or after the one you just went through based on alphabetical order. Stop when you find a page with guide words beginning with E, X. Now, look for the word exercise on this page. If you still can't find it, look at the pages that come before or after the current one to locate the word.
I found the word exercise.
Well done. Now tell me what's written next to it.
I'm not sure.
It's the part of speech the word belongs to.
Oh, that's so useful. And look, the word exercise has more than one meaning.
In that case, to avoid confusion, follow these 4 steps. Step 1. Read the sentence. Step 2. Identify which part of speech the word belongs to. Step 3. Under that part of speech, look at the different meanings given. Step 4. Read the sentence keeping in mind each of these meanings and see which of them makes the most sense. As we don't know which meaning for exercise suits this sentence, let's try out these 4 steps. Aryan, let's read this sentence together.
People will exercise their right to vote.
In this sentence, to exercise their right means to do something, which in this case is vote. So here, exercise is a verb.
In the dictionary, there are 3 different meanings for this word when it is used as a verb. And they are use or apply power or right, do physical exercise, worry or puzzle someone.
From these 3 meanings, use or apply a power or right fits our sentence the best.
Yes, this meaning fits perfectly. Now I know how and when to use a dictionary. Thank you, Mama.